Hello everyone. In this video we want to show you how you can change the foundation parameters like reinforcement diameters and also the size of the foundation in CYPE 3D software. So first of all, here I have this foundation plan, and so the thing that you need to do, you need to go to foundation elements, and here you need to select edit, and then so select the foundation. So here I can select this foundation, and from here I have the reinforcement. For example, here by default for bottom reinforcement, actually we are using the let's say reinforced with 6 mm dia in X direction and also in Y direction. So once we are saying in X and Y direction, so which means that here in this direction it is X and Y direction. And this reinforcement that you can see here, they are let's say the reinforcement with 6 mm dia, and also here you can see the numbers of reinforcement, which means 7 numbers of reinforcement with 6 diameter is used in the X direction, and also 7 in let's say Y direction. So let's say here it is X and Y let's say elevation view. Okay, and also from here you can see that here you have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, and also here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So we said that simply you can go to reinforcement here. Okay, and from here simply you can change it. Let's say here I want to change it as number 10, and from here so I can say that the spacing between the reinforcement you can go for example 10 centimeter or 100 mm, or I can go to, for example, let's say 12.5. Okay, so here I can say that 12.5, and in Y direction also I can say that 10, and I can say that 12.5, which means 125 mm. So in this way you can change the reinforcement. Accept. Okay, so here as you see, so I already changed it to reinforcement let's say with dia 10 mm, and automatically according to a spacing that I specified, so I need to provide 5 a number of reinforcement 1 2 3 4 5 in Y direction, 1 2 3 4 5 in X direction. And if you want to change the dimension of the uh, footing, so for example the depth of the footing, and also the here you have the 80 by 80, so you can go to geometry here. Okay, and as you can see here you have the initial and final. So for the X direction, so here you have the let's say 40 centimeter, and also final you have the 40 centimeter, and total you have the 80, which means it calculated actually from the center. So here it is 40 centimeter, sorry. So you have the 40 centimeter, or let's say 400 mm. Okay, and also here you have 400 mm. Okay, so it is in the X direction and also in Y direction. Let's say for example in the Y direction we want to change it to let's say 500 or 50 centimeter, and here also 50 centimeter. Okay, and total will be 100. And depth of the footing, so here by default is 30, so I can change it for example to 50 centimeter or 500 mm. Okay, so it is the thing, and then so here I have it. As you can see here it is 100 mm, and here I have 80, which is the default value, but here I change the 30 centimeter or 300 mm to 50. So in this way you can edit the let's say pad footing in CYPE 3D. Also for other type of foundation you can do the same thing. So after that, so you can accept it. Before accepting, also you can see the 3D view of the foundation by clicking on this option. Here you can click. Okay, and then here you can see the reinforcement. If you want to add the top reinforcement, also is possible. So you need to go back to detailing and again go to the reinforcement. As you can see here, you have the bottom reinforcement and also you have the top reinforcement. So just you need to click on here and then check the option. Okay, and again from here maybe you can provide let's say the reinforcement with 6 mm diameter, and here also in the y direction, and you can let's say accept the default value. Okay, and then accept. So then here also you can see that you have the reinforcement at the top, and if you want to see it in the 3D view, again come to 3D, go to 3D view, and here you can see the reinforcement at the top. Okay, so here you have the reinforcement just like this. For other type of reinforcement, so I can accept it. Okay, so here you can see also the let's say the dimension of this footing is changed. If you want to for example, if you have other type of foundation, for example, you can go to the foundation, and from here I want to let's say remove this. Let's say this two foundations I want to remove. Okay, and I want to go for example combined footing, so I can go to new. Okay, and then here I will select the reinforced concrete footing, and from here you can go to, if you want to create the combined footing, so you need to select this option with multiple starts. Okay, click on this option and then go to this let's say rectangular footing, and then accept. So then you need to just select the let's say column, this column and this column, and then right click. So once you right click, you have this, let's say, a small circle at the middle, and just click on that let's say symbol, and then you have the combined footing. Again, if you want to edit it, edit the reinforcement and the dimension, so go to foundation elements, and from here go to edit, and from here just select the combined footing. Okay, and then here you have it. So the same thing, so again you have the reinforcement. From here you can change the reinforcement whatever you want. If you want to add the top reinforcement, or let's say perimeter reinforcement, so you can add it from here. And if you want to change the geometry, again here you have the geometry in X and Y direction. Okay, and also the depth of the footing. So that's it. And if you want to see the 3D view, so here you can see the 3D view. Hope you enjoyed this video, and please leave us the comment if you have any question, and we'll come back to you soon. Please stay tuned with us and have a great day. Bye bye.